Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness, and I'm Shaji Balagopal, your fitness trainer. Well, what we're going to do today is a functional exercise, and it's one of the most popular workout methods, kettlebell. So we are going to do the kettlebell exercise. A lot of people separate kettlebell from functional. It is a proper functional exercise. The hinge movements, and you're going to do the biceps. You're going to do the legs, a lot of it. You're going to move your hips. You will watch it as I explain, and I'm going to train them, and you will see how the workout goes. We're going to do about 6 exercises for the whole body. Watch it till the end. It's really interesting, and there are a lot of good exercises coming your way. What you're watching is the kettlebell swing. That's the first exercise, and you hinge. So hinge at the hip point. Go. Watch the kettlebell as it goes down and come up all the way. So it's a lower back exercise. Glutes, your hamstring, and your quads as well. And it's an intense workout for the posterior chain. Try this out when you really realize it. We're going to do 20 in 2. Right? Interesting, intense workout is double lunge, okay, and you're doing shoulder press as well. And what you're watching is Doctor do the reverse lunge, also now the front lunge, but pushing the kettlebell up into a push. It's an intense workout. It works on your core, your hamstring, your glutes, the whole body actually. You will find it very tough while doing this. Take a moderate weight, unlike the first one where you took a heavy weight, and try this with a moderate weight, mid-weight, and you will understand that this is an intense workout. An intense workout, you get the sumo squat and the biceps curl and with the shoulder press. So all this is working your quads, your hamstring, your calf, your shoulders, and your biceps as well. So it's an intense workout. You did work out your shoulders in the previous workout as well, and you're going to do 20 to 3. So we're going to 10 into 4. Okay, so that's an interesting workout. Try it out. Interesting workout. I can't even stand there. That's a warrior exercise. So you go around the world, come back, crunch your abs, come back again, roll the other way around. You can use a stick as well to do it. So try with the kettlebell. Use the weight. Take a moderate weight, 10 on each side. Okay, so you're going to count 1, 1, 2, 2. And go 10 on each side, 4 sets of that. It's a very intense workout on your whole of the core, and you'll find out that it is excruciatingly tough. and in twisting exercise. What I call that is the double bazooka. Alright, so what we're doing is swinging the two hands, the two kettlebells in alternate between the legs and outside, and bringing it back up and then swinging it with a curl. So you're going to curl and do a biceps curl, and then again swing it, bring it back into a curl. So you're doing your squats, you're doing your biceps, you're doing your lower back, everything. Try it out. 10 into 4. That's what you're going to do. Do it.
10.
Exercise, and what you're watching is the row and the chest press. Okay, so you're going to do the upper chest and the row, and it is a good workout. It's a combination. So you're doing the lats and chest, which is the most common combination in the bodybuilding. And if you've been watching this video till now, like, share, and subscribe, and tell your friends about it, and ask any questions if you have. I will help you out with it. Alright? See you in another video. They're going to do abs, 2 more abs which they're going to do. I'll post all the abs together for you guys to watch. Alright? See you in another video. Bye.